The many faces of March. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the word March. At first glance, it might seem simple, but as we'll see, this word wears a few different hats in the English language. Let's explore its varied meanings and how to use them. March is the third month of the year in both the Julian and Gregorian calendars. It's a time when winter transitions to spring in the Northern Hemisphere. When someone says, "My birthday is in March," they are referring to this month. Example: the flowers begin to bloom in March. March can also be a verb that means to walk in a steady, purposeful manner, often in a procession or in a military manner. It can also mean moving forward quickly and with determination. Examples: the soldiers marched through the town square. Protesters marched for justice. Another interesting use of march is in the world of music. A march is a piece of music, typically with a strong regular rhythm, designed to accompany marching. Think of the music you'd hear in a parade or during a ceremonial event. Example: the band played a lively march as the parade began. There are some expressions in English that use the word march. Here are a couple of them. March to the beat of your own drum. This means to do things in one's own way regardless of societal norms or expectations. Marching orders, instructions or directions, especially those which are to be carried out immediately. It can also mean being dismissed or let go from a job or responsibility. From months to music, the word march has more to it than meets the eye. We hope this exploration has given you a clear understanding of its diverse uses in the English language. Keep marching forward in your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.